How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off your professional mode on Facebook. Whether you are ready to go back to your personal profile or no longer need those extra tools, this guide will walk you through the steps. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, make sure that you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. Now head over to the Facebook. Once you have opened the Facebook, simply tap on the profile icon to open your profile. Once your profile is open, simply tap on the three dots icon next to the edit button, and this will take you to the profile settings. Once you are in the profile settings, simply scroll down and look for the option that says turn professional mode off. You're simply gonna tap on it, and the Facebook will show you a pop-up explaining what happens when you turn off this feature. For example, you will lose access to insights and monetization tools. Confirm by tapping on turn off, and the professional mode will be turned off. Once professional mode is turned off, your profile will be reverted to a personal profile. This means no more insights and professional tools, but you still have all the access to your post and friends. Double check your profile to make sure everything's look good. And that's it for the video. Turning off professional mode on Facebook is quick and easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.